welcome to Auto Revive. This is the S600, which was worth nearly $200,000 when it was first released. However, after more than a decade, it is almost completely broken down. We've started repairing it. This V12 engine has oil sludge so incredibly thick, it will instantly blow your mind. This viscosity has practically given the engine a heart attack. This massive amount of hardened carbon buildup has also caused the cylinder walls to be severely scored. This engine now requires a complete and thorough overhaul. The interior has also been torn apart beyond recognition. Let's get to work. Standard procedure before entering the shop: thoroughly power washing the undercarriage. This is the benefit of a good wash. The body is clean without mud and dust constantly falling off. It makes the entire restoration process much easier. Teardown of the V12 engine for a rescue overhaul. We can already see a very obvious buildup of black oil sludge. It's as thick and sticky as maltose syrup. The piston heads also have massive amounts of carbon buildup. If these carbon flakes fall off, they can directly score the cylinder walls. Is there a way to clean this without a full teardown? Fellow mechanics, drop your opinions in the comments. The entire oil pan is filled with thick, gooey sludge. Total blockage of the oil passages was just a matter of time. The entire engine has been completely torn down. Deep cleaning the engine bay. Prepping the undercarriage and suspension. The vehicle's shock absorbers are leaking fluid. Would you choose to repair them to save money, even if it won't last? Or would you replace them with expensive, durable new parts? Our owner opted for the hassle-free, worry-free route. Engine assembly. This is the moment that truly tests a mechanic's skill. The more cylinders, the higher the rebuild cost. By entering the VENG, we can accurately pull up 90% of the car's original factory data. Rebuilding the car strictly by OEM specs brings it infinitely closer to its factory condition. tool our mechanic is holding right now is a high-precision electronic torque wrench. It's equivalent to the industrial torque wrenches used in car manufacturing plants. You can look up its advantages online. Interior teardown. This interior design looks incredibly noble and luxurious. It perfectly reflects the owner's elegance and prestige. The interior has been completely stripped bare, waiting to be sorted and prepped before heading upstairs to our upholstery shop. The body shell is rolled into the paint and body shop, queuing up for fresh paint. Interior upholstery disassembly. Starting the bodywork and paint process. Sanding down the old faded factory paint. Spraying the primer surfacer. Continuing with fine block sanding to dial in the details. Removing the doors, hood, and trunk lid. Prepping and scuffing the paint surfaces, both inside and out on the entire chassis. This ensures the new paint adheres flawlessly. Moving into the paint booth for base coat and clear coat. Cleaning the cabin and laying down sound deadening mats. Installing the exterior trim and accessories. Interior upholstery restoration. We are using premium top grain calfskin leather. The interior upgrades are complete, ready to be installed into the car. interior installed. Now performing a final exterior paint correction and polish. After more than a month of intensive rebuilding, this Mercedes S600, just like the one my neighbor had, has it regained its former dominating presence? Let's check out the final result. Thanks for watching Auto Revive.